Howdy guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. Today we're going to do a recap. This is a recap of the mini calf dirt bike racer alternator motor build. So this build you'll see in my other videos actually up and going. It had a whole different controller in it, but what I'm going to say in this vid is we got new gears coming for this, we got new batteries coming for it, and also we have a new controller coming for it. We got a 36 volt, not 48 unfortunately, but 36 at 800 watts. So I've tried already, I think, 2 different controllers on this, about a 600 and a 1000 watt controller. And the 1000 watt one, I've already done the speed run test and it reached 36 Ks. It wasn't the greatest, but it was still quick enough, and you'll see in my other footage of this thing going up and down the road very quickly. It was old footage before I started videos, sort of thing, so I posted that to look at. So let's have a look at this one more time, recap. So yeah guys, I got 2 more batteries ordered up so far. I'm going to get another 2 next week. This is down in the battery bay here. This one battery here is the mag battery. Now the mag battery and the mag switch is to power up, like I was saying in my other vids, the center rotor, which has still got its coil in there. It hasn't got magnets or nothing, it hasn't been altered. It's kind of stock standard in a sense. That center, the brushes here, it powers up the center rotor, and then you're left, when you do the reconfiguration inside and take out the bridge rectifier and everything, these 3 wires come straight off the outside coils, and so these go to the brushless controller. And the brushless, compared to the DC controller, DC only has 2 wires. The brushless controller has 3 because it's an AC controller. And so the mini motorbike wheels, we got the star pattern on there. They're pretty cool looking. I re-altered that sprocket to fit a bigger one on there. Better gearing, take the weight and the strain. And yeah, this is about a 55 amp alternator. I'm going to change the insides to a 110 to gain about an extra 10 Ks. That'll take it up to about 43 to 46 Ks, which is good. That's good enough for this bike. And so here's the front end, mini disc brake. Look at that, isn't that cool? Dinky, isn't it? And then comes up to massive front suspension and yeah, handlebars and everything. Here's where you fill up brake fluid in these little reservoirs, and it's all hydraulic. Comes down to a line. It's not a cable, it's like fluid goes through it. So yeah, took the foot pegs off the other mini moto dirt bike that I had, that, you know, the wheels and stuff came off, so I grabbed all those, welded them on, and the stand, and what else can I tell you? So this thing fits about 6 batteries from here, 6 of these batteries. So you can see when I push this over, from here to here fits 4 more, and you can slide an extra 5th one in there. Now we might be operating on the controller and actually changing out the capacitors, not the FETs, but the capacitors. So we want to up its voltage rate to as high as 63, I think it is. I might even have some hundreds, but as long as I can get up over 36, which that controller will take it, I won't over push it. You can over push those controllers by an extra battery anyways, without them turning off, or, you know, without the circuit cutout breaker kicking in, you know, through too high volts. So so there's a little bit of leeway there. So let's have a look. I've got my old fluffy seats there. So this is the recap on the alternator motor build. We're running 420 pitch chain. It's the same as Honda CT90. It's like a postie bike, those sort of bikes. Step through frame, yeah, like that. So let's have a look at this. You can see that I welded this sprocket into this one here. It's pretty cool, eh? This one here is not usable anymore, but this one is the one I think it came off a motorbike, yeah. So I chopped it and molded it in pretty good. And so yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Welded that sprocket into there for now. I couldn't bolt it on, it's spinning the opposite way and the bolt always comes off, like a lot of you would have found. So yeah guys, that's a recap on the Carkis bike. This bike is supposed to have ribs coming off it from here all the way down on hinges, and same on the other side. And I might do that to it yet. As soon as I get the steel, I'll put ribs on it. So yeah, it'll look like a sheep carcass going down the road in a sense. Cool, awesome theme. Cool guys. I shall see you in the next vid. This is the carcass recap. Cool guys. Cruzerman out. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit a like and a thumbs up. Awesome stuff. And subscribe. More bikes coming up.